Buongiorno. We are making our walk to the port, to the pier, and it's like a quarter of a mile walk since there are no cars here. And this is what we see, or this is at least the sights that we see on the way down. We're on top of a hill. You cannot see it. And there's my wife. Okay, and all the streets are like this. No cars, no bicycle, no motorcycles, no nothing.
You just walk.
You just walk. So when you come, you better be ready. And it's very quaint. And I won't keep this very long because I don't want the battery to run out. And here's another beautiful view of the island, the homes on the island, and it's like this all the way down. Just beautiful, 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 beautiful. Huh? Oh nga. Yes, look at all those homes and the water, blue waters. It's a beautiful walk. You better be ready to take your calcium, otherwise you'll end up with a cramp by that time, especially going uphill. Okay. Ciao.